Okay, good morning guys. So today is a bit of a different video, as you can probably tell. I'm doing a get organized with me. So a couple of weeks ago, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I ordered these drawers off IKEA. These are the Lenart drawers, or Lenart, I don't know how to say it. First of all, I'm really awful at doing furniture, so sorry if this is really bad. Okay, so I've moved back a bit so that you guys can see. Okay. We got it open. Okay, that was harder than I care to admit. This was £12, I believe, which is really affordable. This is instructions. That's very useful. This is what it's gonna hopefully look like at the end. We'll see what I managed to make. Okay, I think that this should be a better way of filming. I'm really not very good at this. So step one looks like that. I assume that it means that we take the 2 frames and then these 2 bits and attach it somehow. Oh.
Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate, exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
All the drawers are built, the stand is built. The next step is to clear this and put the drawer in there. So, there we are. Drawers are in, now let's put my makeup in it. So I forgot to do an outro. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you want me to do any other videos to do with organisation or my makeup collection or something like that. And yeah, thanks.